All right, let's get to Eli Lilly here, trading at all-time highs as the drug maker is set to report earnings tomorrow morning. The stock is up nearly 6%, bringing its gains for the year to more than 20%. Will earnings boost its run or put a damper on the rally? For more, let's bring in Cantor Fitzgerald analyst Louise Chen. Louise, great to have you with us.
Hi.
Hi. It's interesting, to see this run even after Novo posted its results. But the Zepbound prescription numbers were just staggering, at least for the month of December. What are you looking specifically for?
Yeah, I think for tomorrow, what we'd like to see is what the Zepbound numbers look like. Another important product, obviously, Mounjaro. They have potential launches of 2 products this year, donanemab and lebrikizumab, so kind of see what they put in the guidance for that. And then also pipeline advancements and M&A, what they're thinking on that front.
Yeah. In terms of pipeline, there's so much sort of anticipation around Synergy NASH trial, and I'm wondering, do you think we'll get any sort of color on that?
I'm not sure. We've asked Lilly about that. They said they have not disclosed the timing, but the estimated primary completion date has passed on that. So hopefully we'll get some sort of color.
As a big cap pharma analyst, I mean, historically, you've been able to sort of, you can measure these things, right? You can game it out a little bit. But with Eli Lilly and Novo, I mean, the whole world's changed. So how should we look at this on terms of valuation? Because historical valuations don't seem to matter right now.
Yeah, I agree with you, and I hear what you're saying there. So I think one of the things that you have to think about for whether or not there's another leg up to move for this stock is really the downstream indications for tirzepatide. They have fatty liver disease data coming, as you mentioned. They also have obstructive sleep apnea, and they also have heart failure data coming this year. So it'll be interesting to see how those do and how those could add on to the additional patients that could use the drug, and reimbursement could be better for those indications than what you see for obesity, which a lot of times is not covered. And the other thing that I would look at is some of their pipeline products. They have orforglipron, which is an oral GLP-1. Orals are big and important in the market. No one's really been successful on that front yet. And they also have a triple G product, retatrutide, and it could show in excess of 25% weight loss, which is better than we've seen with any of the other weight loss products thus far.
When do you think there, or when or if you'll see any sort of differentiation in terms of Novo versus Lilly and the efficacy of the weight loss drug, specifically Zepbound versus Novo's products?
Yeah, so we're already at that inflection point, and it's quite interesting because Lilly has higher weight loss, but Novo has the select data. They got that earlier than Lilly, and theirs might still be a few years away. Let's see if they do an interim look on that. So it'll be very interesting to see how that market plays out this year with one company that has outcomes data like Novo and another company that has shown higher weight loss in their trials.
Hey, Louise, it's Tim. So extending Melissa's question just into the competitive landscape outside of these two companies, because they're treated as if they are so far ahead. And again, it kind of, we've said this so many times, it's a bad metaphor at this point, but it does feel like the semiconductor space where you've got 1 or 2 companies that are on the leading edge of technology.
Yeah. So are you asking me what other companies might show data?
Competitive landscape for sure, Louise. Yeah. I mean, who else is even close?
Yeah. So I would say Amgen has some data that people are very excited to see this year. So that will be coming out. That's a large company. Roche, also through the acquisition of Carmo, is working on some products. And one of them is, forefront, exciting. They've said that this could be one of their best-in-class products. Pfizer is working on an oral product. They did not show success in the first round. It wasn't not success, but it wasn't a great tolerability. So they're coming back this year with more data that they'll show sometime in the first half of this year.